Hello everybody. This is just a short, quick follow-up video to my earlier video about the exceptional customer service I received from Hunter Douglas. I had requested a replacement cord and within a couple of hours I had an acknowledgement of my request and a confirmation that the parts were being shipped. I received this bag of parts, replacement guide, a spool of replacement cord, and all kinds of little pieces of hardware, and guides and replacement plastic parts. Looks like a pretty thorough kit. So once again, they've exceeded my expectations. I had simply requested some new cord, but I've got a complete kit and a guide. Here's the part number 5101 335 000 Ultra Wear Cord Replacement Kit. And this is for the Duet and the Applause Honeycomb Shades cord lock lifting system. So thanks for watching. If you found this entertaining or helpful, how about a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.